Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 7, chapter number 5, coordinate geometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 5.2, page number 115. Okay, question number 2. Now, here 2 points are given, P and Q, and point A divides sec PQ in the ratio 3:4. Now try to find the coordinate of point A. Okay. Now first you draw a figure P -2 -5 Q 4 3 point A XY divides PQ in the ratio 3:4. Okay, then use section formula. By section formula, AXY is equal to AX2 plus BX1 upon A plus B and AY2 plus BY1 upon A plus B. Substitute values. So 3 into 4 plus 4 into -2 upon 3 plus 4, and y coordinate 3 into 3 plus 4 into -5 upon A plus B means 3 plus 4. Okay, simplify. 12 minus 8 upon 7 and 9 minus 20 upon 7, and therefore AX1Y1 is equal to 4 upon 7 minus 11 upon 7, and hence coordinate of point A is 4 upon 7 11 minus 11 upon 7. Okay, question number 2 3. Now here 2 points are given, PQ, and point A divides sec PQ in the ratio 1:2. Draw figure P 2 6 say x1 y1, Q -4 1 say x2 y2, A xy divides sec PQ in the ratio 1:2. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Use section formula. Always write your formula. Now A is equal to AX1 y1 is equal to AX2 plus BX1 upon A plus B, AY2 plus BY1 upon A plus B, and therefore 1 into -4 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2, and y coordinate you write down 1 into 1 plus 2 into 6. Then you simplify. So 1 into -4 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 4 is equal to -4 plus 4 upon 3, and 1 into 1 plus 2 into 6 is equal to 1 plus 12 upon 3, and therefore AX1Y1 is equal to 0 13 upon 3, and hence coordinate of point A is 0 13 upon 3. Question number 3. Find the ratio in which point T -1 6 divides the segment joining the points P -3 10 Q 6 minus 8. Now in this case, you have to find the ratio in which T divides sec PQ. Okay. Now try to understand this question because this question is important. Okay. Solution. Let point T minus 1 6 divide sec PQ in the ratio m is to n. Then draw your figure according to given P Q. P is equal to minus 310, Q is equal to 6 minus 8, and this point T is minus 1 6. This point divides sec PQ in the ratio m is to n. Then by section formula, Txy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, y my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Then substitute your values whatever it is given. So T minus 1 6 is equal to m into 6 plus n into minus 3 upon m plus n, and y coordinate m into bracket minus 8 plus n into 10 upon m plus n. Then this is a point coordinates of point T and this is also coordinate of point T. So you compare one of the coordinate. So comparing the coordinate x, so this is 6x minus 3n upon m plus n is equal to minus 1, and then you simplify. So therefore 6m minus 3n is equal to, this you transfer on this side, so minus m minus n, and therefore 6m, this m you transfer on this side, so negative become positive. 6m plus m is equal to 3n, this 3n you transfer on this side, so it is positive, minus n, and therefore 7m is equal to 2n, and therefore m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7, and hence point T divides sec PQ in the ratio 2 is to 7. Okay. Now this is a very important question. Okay. Then question number 4. Point P is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. Find the coordinate of point B if A is equal to 2 minus 3 and P is equal to minus 2 0. Now in this case, P is equal to center of circle, that means P is the midpoint of what? Diameter AB. So use midpoint formula. Okay, now try to understand solution. Since P is center of circle and AB is diameter, therefore P is midpoint of AB, and therefore by midpoint formula, so again you draw figure AB. A is equal to 2 minus 3, B is equal to, you don't know, so assume x2 x2 y2. P is the center, P is equal to minus 2 0, say xy. Then by midpoint formula, you know the coordinate of this. So P minus 2 0 is equal to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Here you substitute values, and therefore P minus 2 0 is equal to 2 plus x2 upon 2, and minus 3 plus y2 upon 2. Then compare one of the what coordinate. Comparing the coordinate, so this 2 plus x2 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 and minus 3 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to 0, and therefore 2 plus x2 is equal to, this 2 you transfer on this side, minus 4, and therefore x2 is equal to minus 4, and this you transfer on this side, minus 2 gives you minus 6. So x2 is equal to minus 6, and now here minus 3 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to 0, and therefore minus 3 plus y2 is equal to 0, and therefore y2 is equal to 3, and hence coordinate of B are minus 6, 3. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.